quite some time. I'll make it bilingual. I'll make it bilingual, don't worry. So, first in English, I'll go ahead with English. So, you are aware that farmers' protests are being witnessed at all the three Delhi borders. And in this connection, Delhi police has been monitoring social media, where it had identified almost 300 social media handles which have been used for pushing hateful and malicious contents. This was also briefed to you in the last press conference. These handles are being used by some of the vested interest organizations for spreading disaffection and ill will against the government of India in the name of farmers' agitation. The farmers' leaders were made aware of this design of some of these vested interest organizations during the process of negotiation by Delhi police. You may be aware that Delhi police has also registered several cases against those social media handles which have been pushing either fake news or spreading some kind of rumors among the citizens for the purpose of spreading disaffection and ill will. Now, in the process of social media monitoring, we have come across one particular document which was uploaded on one of the social media handles on a particular platform. This toolkit has a particular section in this document which says that it is titled Prior Action Plan, and it says that digital strikes have to be conducted through hashtags on and before 26th of January. Number 2, tweet storms from 23rd January onwards. Number 3, physical action on the 26th of January. And number 4, watch out or join farmers' march into Delhi and back to the borders. So this is a particular action plan which has been delineated in this toolkit, which was uploaded on one of the handles on a particular social media platform. Now, this is also in the public domain. Many of you are aware of this particular thing. It is also being mentioned by a lot of media houses. I've also seen some of the television channels which have mentioned about this. But what is important here is that the action plan which has been delineated in this particular toolkit, if you go by the unfolding of events, including the violence of the 26th January, it reveals a copycat execution of the action plan. Now, that is something which is a matter of concern for Delhi police. Definitely the intention of the creators of this toolkit is to create disharmony amongst various social, religious and cultural groups, and also encourage disaffection and ill will against government of India. It also aims at, and it says so, waging social, cultural and economic war against government of India. Now, this particular toolkit has come to our notice, and taking cognizance of this toolkit, Delhi police has registered a case under section 124A, 153A, 153 and 120B IPC. That means spreading disaffection against government of India and also creating disharmony amongst various social, cultural and religious groups. 120B for a planned conspiracy to execute such a plan. Now, we have handed over, after registration of this case, we have handed over the investigation to the cyber cell, and which will be conducting further investigation into the case.
So can you please please tell us all the sections once again?
So I once again mentioned the section. It is 124A IPC, which is basically spreading disaffection against the government of India. It's regarding sedition. And 153A is promoting ill will and hatred amongst various communities on social, cultural and religious grounds. Same is 153, and 120B is for criminal conspiracy to wage such a give shape to such a plan.
Sir, has Greta Thunberg been named by FIR? Has Greta Thunberg been named in the FIR?
So we have not named anybody in the FIR. It is only against the creators of the toolkit, which is a matter of investigation, and Delhi police will be investigating that case.
But sir, that particular toolkit was tweeted from a particular account. Can it be in that particular account?
See, you people are aware of that, so I don't want to name it here.
Please name that, because that is very important.
That's very important.
Who has put out that tweet?
I think most of you are aware of this. Let me first brief the press in Hindi. I think they also want it, and then I'll come back to the question part. Just give me 1 minute. आप सभी को मालूम है दोस्तों कि दिल्ली में फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट पिछले कई दिनों से दिल्ली के बॉर्डर्स पे चल रहे हैं। दिल्ली पुलिस सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स का बहुत क्लोज मॉनिटरिंग कर रही है, और जैसा आपको पिछले बार भी बताया था कि इस मॉनिटरिंग के दौरान हम लोगों ने सोशल मीडिया के कुछ 300 से ज़्यादा ऐसे अकाउंट्स आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं जिनका दुरुपयोग किया जा रहा था भारत सरकार के खिलाफ सेंटिमेंट्स एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, किसान एजिटेशन के नाम पे कम्युनिटीज़ के बीच में डिसअफेक्शन स्प्रेड करने के लिए। और इसके बाबत हम लोगों ने किसान जो नेता हैं जो वहाँ पे आंदोलन कर रहे हैं उनको भी ये बात बताई थी कि कुछ एलिमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो इस किसान आंदोलन का फ़ायदा उठाना चाहते हैं। और इसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में दिल्ली पुलिस को सोशल मीडिया मॉनिटरिंग के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में एक पर्टिकुलर अकाउंट के द्वारा एक डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोड किया गया जिसका नाम टूल किट है। उस टूल किट को एक पर्टिकुलर प्रो खालिस्तानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिसका नाम पोएटिक जस्टिस फाउंडेशन है, इसके द्वारा इसकी ऑथरशिप दिखाई गई है। और इस डॉक्यूमेंट में एक एक्शन प्लान डिलिनेट किया गया है, जिस एक्शन प्लान में ये बताया गया है कि 26 जनवरी के बाद 26 जनवरी और उसके आसपास डिजिटल स्ट्राइक करना है, एक ट्वीट स्टॉर्म करना है 23 जनवरी के ऑनवर्ड्स, एक फिजिकल एक्शन करना है 26 जनवरी को, और फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट और जो मार्च 26 जनवरी को होना था उसको या तो ज्वाइन करना है या इसको वॉच करना है, कैसे ये दिल्ली में प्रवेश करता है और फिर वापस ये बॉर्डर पे जाता है। इसके लिए लोगों को बताया गया था इस टूल किट के माध्यम से। इसको अपलोड किया गया और फिर कुछ दिनों बाद इसको डिलीट भी कर दिया गया, लेकिन ये हमारे संज्ञान में आया है। और अगर आप 26 जनवरी और उसके आसपास के इवेंट्स को देखें तो आपको ये मालूम होगा कि ये बिल्कुल कॉपी कैट बिल्कुल एग्जीक्यूशन था। जिस तरह का प्लान इस डॉक्यूमेंट में है उसी तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ ग्राउंड पे भी दिखाई देती हैं। तो इसका संज्ञान लेते हुए दिल्ली पुलिस ने जो ऑथर्स हैं टूल किट के उनके खिलाफ एक केस दर्ज किया है, धारा 124A, 153A, 153 और 120B आईपीसी में, जिसका कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन दिल्ली पुलिस की साइबर सेल द्वारा किया जाएगा। और इसमें किसी को भी हम लोगों ने अभी नेम नहीं किया है। थैंक यू।
सर, बस वाले